What's up? I'm Matt.
I'm Peter. And I'm Brendan.
We are the Badger Claws, and this is our trolley.
The goal of this project was to create a simple battery-driven cart that would drive around a track and stop at obstacles. While every group at the start was given basic parts to make the trolley, like a chassis, axles, and wheels, we ended up making most of those parts on our own, 3D printing them so that we could make them exactly how we wanted to.
During some of the early stages in building our trolley, we didn't have enough parts, so we'd have to scavenge them from around the shop, as well as making them ourselves, such as cutting plastic or using a pencil and using some tape.
Very early in the project, Matt came up with a feature that would allow us to change between gear ratios using a servo motor. It was a continuously variable transmission where these two tapered pulleys expand and contract to change the radius that the belt travels around.
Ran into a couple issues even in the design phase. We had some ideas for extra features or drivetrain components that we quickly found out were not going to be viable for this project.
In this class, we did a lot of hands-on working. We learned a lot about how to use SolidWorks and how to design things, such as we designed these wheels that were 3D printed at the makerspace, along with these two pulleys and the axle to chassis mounts.
We'll show you these two red LEDs that we have functioning as our brake lights. Now those are going to be triggered by our distance sensor up here.
Anytime it reads a value that is larger than 40 centimeters, the motors down on the bottom will run non-stop.
We have a couple motors connected to a couple pulleys here. Now the ratio here, 1 to 48.
I think it's very important for future mechanical engineers to know how things are made. I spent a lot of time in this course designing things with no clue on how they would actually be manufactured. And when it came time to make things, we were surprised when some things were very difficult or impossible to make fit together. And hopefully, I can be a better engineer because of the skills that I've learned.